Hi friends, welcome to my channel Go Cool and Be Cool. Six Sigma, the beautiful certification course, the world most expert certification course from all the field, automobile, medical, education, from all the field. So it is a very important course we're supposed to study. So we have a three category, yellow, green as well as a black belt. So we are going to see the certification course as well as the examination tip, how we can able to pass the examination with the help of ChatGPT. So first we will learn the Lean Six Sigma with the DMAIC preparations and everything. So then we will introspect the same in the ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to the video. Welcome back. So we are going to see the yellow, green as well as the black belt Six Sigma certification course as well as the examination. So first we will learn how to prepare for the examination. So and then we will go with directly checking with the ChatGPT. So when we talk about Six Sigma introduction, so we have first we need to understand about this will happen whether 3 to 5 days classes, maybe online or offline, whatever you are choosing, maybe for the yellow belt, green belt or the black belt. So it will takes in the duration of 3 to 5 days classes. You will learn through materials as well as your faculties and everything. So course learning is also online and offline, and then finally we will go for examination. So nowadays what's happened, like certification courses are happening all around the world, and then many agencies are giving the certifications with the holistic accredited body also. So in that case, 50 questions will be given to you, objective type. You have to choose the answer first of all. So before choosing the answer, you should know that what is the meaning of questions and everything. So then only we can able to answer the same. So my intention is to bring you about what is the questions so they may ask during your examination. The same thing we are going to with explanations we are going to talk about here. So here the introduction is like 3 to 5 days classes course. We have to learn it and then we have to go for examination. Projects, everything will take time because nowadays what happening, the entire world moving towards a faster. People are requesting certification to show their career upgradations and everything. So that's why the certification is first they are giving to all the people, and then projects will be taken care in the future, or maybe a couple of weeks as they will correct the projects and everything. And coming to methodology as well as the tool. So how many tools we have as far as the Six Sigma concerned? So we have 84 tools as usual for structure definition. So as well as the 15 steps to drive Six Sigma. So these two mechanisms we have to understand, my dear friends. So it is a very important thing. Like even though we are going for yellow belt, green belt as well as black belt, please understand what all the steps we supposed to be, and then how many structure identifications we have to go for it. Okay, let's see that when we can able to use it for this Six Sigma. Where and when we can able to use it. We have solution, like a solution is very simple, and then the cause is also known. So it is just we can do it. That's so simple. And then if it is somewhat bigger, the simple activities and then known causes and all, we can able to go for case. And that is a continuous improvement. So once you start improving the things, and then you can able to go for continual improvement. So this is where the things we supposed to have it. And then cause is unknown, but whereas we have it's a simple problem in the sense we'll go for seeking the experts so that we can get a lot of solution from the experienced people. During their experience they can able to at least sprinkle some of the information and everything. Accordingly we can able to go for it. Okay, coming to in this zone, like complex cause is known, but the complex we have a solution in the sense we can able to go for lean principle. So what are the things we supposed to have it for the lean principle? Cause is also unknown, and then it is a very complex problem in the sense that we can go for Six Sigma. So Six Sigma, it's a very beautiful solution. It's a very beautiful course. So whenever you are planning for your upgradation, your career, people in the interview they will ask you like, do you a certified Six Sigma holder, or maybe green holder, or maybe black belt holder? So they will ask plenty of questions to you. So it is also coming like in the upcoming slides. So what are the things we can able to discuss in the same? Okay, first we will go through like what is the DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and then control. What problems are trying to solve, understanding customer business requirement, complete the project charter, complete high level as is the process mapping. And then measure, when come to measure, what is the extent of the problem, identify so what to measure, and then plan and collect the data, determine baseline performance and everything. Whereas coming to analyze, so why is the problem is occurring, identify performance gap, uncertain critical root cause, validate root causes, and then improve. So what do you propose to do and why? So for example, like generate prioritizations and select solutions, pilot solutions, and then validate impact of the solution. And finally, one is a control. So how will you ensure that the problem is stays fixed? So we'll see one by one, like what are the tools and how the methodologies that we can able to utilize to get the Six Sigma completion. Till celebrations we have to do because the people are fees working effectively, dedicatedly. So we have to make them to feel pride first of all. Yes. Okay, now we have so many type of tools is available as far as the DMAIC is concerned. My dear friends, please understand, like these are all the areas as we have to attack. Like we need to update our data accordingly. We can get the solutions and everything. We have to see that how we can able to introspect and everything so that we can able to capture all the information. Okay, see, we'll see one by one. So as far as the define is concerned, what problems are you trying to solve? So step one is understand customer and business requirement. What does the problem so look like from your customer perspective? So main tools what we can use is like voice of customer and then automated diagram, translating needs to requirements, funnel analysis, CTQ, and then project selection methods. As far as step 2 is concerned, to complete the project checkup. So how do you know there is a problem? What specific measure indicate there is a problem? What will the success look like? What is the scope? So who is on the team and what are their roles and responsibilities? What is your project plan? So project charter, CAP tools such as Army, Rasi is responsible, accountable. We have two figures. We have to allocate a particular responsible, which department, which person, which target date, what they're supposed to do. Everything is supposed to be there with the R&D. Threat versus opportunity matrix, stakeholders analysis, elevator speech, and everything. So where is the problem occurring? The step 3 is complete a high level as is the process map. Sleep off. So we have to get in touch with this. As far as the measure is concerned, like what is the extent of the problem? Step 4, identify what to measure. So what does the detailed process correctly look like? So what is the output Y and the X? So we can use functional process map, cost of quality, then the 8 wastages, value stream mapping, and then takt time. That is total available control time. So here we can able to measure everything, cycle time, all put together we can able to feel the overall takt times of the entire machine is concerned. Step 5 is plan and collect data. So how we can ensure the data collection is robust and what does the data says. So for that we can use XY matrix, data collection plan, operational definition, sampling, measurement system analysis, and everything. Whereas the step 6 is concerned determine baseline performances. Is the process stable? Is the process capable of meeting requirements? So as you know that we can have a beautiful run chart so that we can able to get the normal curve accordingly we can able to proceed CP and CPK. Normal test yield, process capability, district data as well as continuous data. So these are all areas like measuring of the problem severities and everything. Analyzing. So why the problem is occurring? Step 7, identify performances gap. So what are the source of variations and then waste? What are the potential causes of the problem? Brainstorming, fishbone diagram, and then 5 whys. Whereas the step 8 is concerned ascertain critical root causes. So what do your stratified graphs reveal? So what do your stratified data reveal? So that we can use Pareto chart. So you know very well about Pareto chart. 80-20 concept is supposed to fix it. Box plot, we can get exactly what it is represents. Scatter plot, multi-voting, and then control impact matrix. The final step is step 9, validate root cause analysis in the analysis category. So how do you know there are the root causes? So what are the validated root causes? So we can able to go for the one sample T and then two sample T, parity and then one way ANOVA variation and then another variation 1 and 2 and the test of equal variations, so one sample sign, man, then slaves and more confusion. So correlation analysis, regression, chi-square, and then proportion analysis. As far as improvement, so what do you propose us to do and why? So step 10, so generate prioritize and select a potential solution. So what will fix the root causes? So how do the solution address a specific root causes identified? So what solutions have been selected and why? So what is the cost benefit analysis? So for that we can use plenty of tools like brainstorming, we can catch up all the information. So benchmarking, brain writing, assumption bursting, so analog techniques, channel techniques, and solution techniques. 5 years, Shinha, so generic tool, Jidoka is very nice improvement, JIT just in time and then solution selection. So those are all the areas like we have a beautiful scope to make sure that the things are happening in the category of improve as a DForest, DMAIC is concerned. Step 11, so pilot solution, like how do you know your solutions will be successful? So what are the risks inherent in your solution? So we have to address the impact analysis of the risk element is supposed to be. So pilot plan, okay, FMEA, it may be from design, from yeah, processor from EA, that FMEA is also one of the important things. Nowadays it is coming forward, implementation planning also one thing. So step 12 is validate impact of solutions. So how do you know the problem has been fixed? So how will you track ongoing benefits? So cost benefit analysis, measurement, system reanalysis, process capability, and then everything. The final one is control. So how will you ensure that the problem stays fixed? See, most of the areas what happens, so once you take the countermeasure may be very less quality of countermeasure. In that case, what happens, the repeatability of issues will be there always, isn't it? So we have to see the countermeasure, what is exactly interlinked with another process so that the problems or maybe the concern will never repeat again. That is a holistic idea we're supposed to get in this Six Sigma. So step 13 institutionalizes the solution. So what is the plan to implement the solution? So who is doing what, and then how will you track all those performances, or what actions will be taken if the problem returns? So VMB, so team hurdles, so starting SOP, there is standard operating procedure, so Go Gemba control plan. So we have a lot of things as well as the control chart is concerned. IMR, XR, XS, and then NPPC, and then U. The 14th step is replicate and share best practice. So what all the things we have done in that Six Sigma concept, how will you capture knowledge related to best practices and what makes them effective? So how will you connect current practitioners and potential adopters of the best practices? So what support will you provide to adapters over time? So best practice transfer is supposed to be there. Horizontal deployment is supposed to be there for the next line. If the improvement it is successful, and then we can able to take it up to the next level of horizontal deployment. The final step is celebrate and recognize success. How will you share your results, and then how will you showcase and reward individual contributors? This is supposed to happen like a post-implementation review, 3 months or 2 months, we have to check the effectiveness. If it is continuously running 24 into 7, the sense like within a couple of weeks, we can get to know that what is exactly happened after the improvement. So we have to make the people to feel pride that he has done this Six Sigma implementation projects and everything. So that we have to make him to feel like or her to feel like rewarding, and then make them like contributing a lot for the next solutions in the upcoming areas or something. Okay, friends. So this is entirely we have seen the DMAIC. So how the 15 steps and then number of tools as we have to complete the entire project. So first of all, you should know that where, which area, which tool is coming, and then what steps we are supposed to do. That is also coming in the question and answer sections at the end of that. Now ChatGPT. Let's check in the artificial intelligence. See my dear friends, like it is happening in the online. Online, offline. Offline is very difficult. You have to the question paper will be given to you. You have to write the question and answers and everything. Answers everything. So you have to return the paper. That's all. The marks will be given to you accordingly. You are crossing the expectational threshold, and the certificate will be given to you. If it is online, the examination happening in the online. Nowadays, what happened? Like 50 questions will be given to you, objective questions. So all the answers are available objectively. Four answers available. You have to choose the answer. Okay, so before choosing the answer, you should supposed to know that what is in the Six Sigma, and then what are the calculations, small formulas, and everything you supposed to know that. Unless otherwise, if you don't know, it's very difficult to go further and further. So my humble request is like if you have a chance for online examination, you can use ChatGPT also. Okay, ChatGPT is a very beautiful tool. Like 3.5 we are using as a free version. If you have like monthly subscription, you can able to go for ChatGPT 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as today. Okay, so we will see that how ChatGPT is helping a lot for us to make this Six Sigma courses very simple, and then we can get the answers and everything. Let's see that how ChatGPT is helping.
Okay, let's see like how it starts. Say hi, hi GPT. Okay, so it's a 3.5 version. Like now I will see that what is Sigma. What is Sigma? Let's see. Yeah, it's giving a lot of information like define, measure, analyze, improve, and then control. So many things are available. So DMAIC, it's one of the beautiful areas. It's like you can able to take it up to the next level of key principles and components of Six Sigma approach. Okay, what is define? Okay, next question we'll ask. What is define? So when you start searching the same topic, so it will give a lot of information in the Six Sigma. So it gives, see, actually the problem definition, scope, and then stakeholder identification, goals and objectives, team formulations, data collection plan, and then process mapping, customer requirements. Very nice, no? Yes, it's a very beautiful thing. Like you can able to check it up all the same. So first we have searched what is defined. So then what is next is what is measure. What is measured in Six Sigma. So it is also going to talk about like see data collection again, process performance metrics, data validations, process mapping, and then flow charting. So MSA, sampling, baseline performance, histogram, and statistical analysis, process currency. Whatever we have shown you. So in the beginning, like how to make the preparations of this Six Sigma certification course, including of all the tips and tricks, like you can able to check it out. Okay, so we already completed what is measure. So DMAC, DM, and then what is that DMAC we have? So analyze. Let's see that what is mean by analyze. What is analyze by the so what is Six Sigma analysis method is like taking data analysis, hypothesis testing, very nice, ANOVA, and then root cause analysis, correlations analysis, design of experiment, failure mode and effective analysis, as well as the statistical process control, and then process simulation, validation, root cause, and everything. So DMAIC, so DMAIC, what is that? What is improve? What is improve? Let's see like how it gives the answer to you. So in Six Sigma methodology improves the fourth phase of DMAIC process. Let's see that what we supposed to do, that solution generation, pilot testing, risk assessment, cost benefit analysis, optimization, implementation, training and communications, monitoring, documentations, feedback and feedback loops. Okay, the final one is DMAIC, MIC, that is control. What is control? Okay, again it gives a lot of information about the DMAIC, like what all the things you're supposed to do, that standardization, SPC, control plans, visual management, training and skill development, feedback and continuous improvement, preventive measures, audit and review, response plan, documentations and reporting projects, closer. Beautiful things, yeah. We can able to get a lot of information from this ChatGPT. So now let's see that what is mean. Okay, sorry, I typed what is mean. Okay, it's give information about the mean. Yes, mean is see arithmetic mean, statistical mean, and then being unkind, significance or importance, intentions or purpose, average income. Let's see, like explain bell curve, and then what we can say like mean. Sorry, okay, sorry. Mean and median. Yes. Okay, now let's give the beautiful difference between. So what is mean by bell curve? So bell curve talk about normal distribution. Yes, the shape, mean and median. So it gives a lot of information about the summary of what we're supposed to do. That see, before going for the examination, my humble request to all of you is please use ChatGPT, because we need to get aligned to the latest technology. Okay, let's see like how the question paper, like we see in the upcoming like 5 to 6 videos, we are going to see the question and the answer. So what we have given you the exact answer. Let's see how the answer is supposed to be. This is the question. So first of all, like question 1, the design failure mode and the effective analysis should be completed. So before which of the following? So we have 4 answers. The correct answer is production drawings and released tooling. So that is the correct answer. So let's see that how ChatGPT is giving the right answer. Okay. I will just type the examination. So we have to make it very clear, like ChatGPT has to understand like this is the first option, this is the second option, and then this is the third option. Yeah, the last one is the, I will remove the correct. This is the fourth option is severity changes. Okay, so the question is supposed to be the design failure mode and analysis, effect analysis should be completed. So before which of the following? Okay, this is the questions we ask. So then ChatGPT is supposed to give the answer. Let's see that. Now type the answer. So what is the answer? Answer is prototyping. So severity changes can be addressed and updated as per the program. Yes, the first itself it will give the answer. See, the typically completed before prototyping. Production release or released or finalized in the tool. DMAIC is a systematic technology used during the design phases, product and identify potential failure, access and prioritize them. Production drawing, and then so it helps proactively addressing potential issues. The design probability and then reduce the likelihood. Prototype testing, performance testing is usually conducted after the DMAIC is completed. These tests help validate the design, identify any issues that may not have been identified. So severity, tooling, and location changing. Giving some wrong answer, I think so. Okay, again I will type it. So what is the correct answer? Let me ask. Yes, he's giving correct answer. See, actually the design failure mode and effective analysis should typically should be completed so before production drawing and release. Yes, exactly. It is giving a beautiful answer because see how you type it. So that makes a difference. You have to ask exactly to the chat GPT like what we supposed to get from this, especially. Okay, so we have seen first question. First question answer is very nice, and then so let's see like what is mean by. So, what is mean by, or we can say what is mean by CP versus CPK. It will give you a small information about what is that we supposed to understand. So in statistical process and so many kind of things is we can able to identify that calculation is also coming. Oh, very nice, super. So CP and CPK. So you quickly saw that what is PP and PPK. What is PP and PPK? Process capability. Yes, correct, exactly. So process performance, definition, calculation, format, it's also giving beautiful. See, before examination, so you are appearing like certification courses or anything, so please use ChatGPT 3.5. If you have already subscribed 4.5 or till 5, 6, 7, so in upcoming years, so maybe it will go beyond level. So please use it and get to know that what is happening exactly. So accordingly, you can able to choose the right answer. So if the examination in the online, so if there is no any constraints in mouse, so there is no any triggering point or maybe traceability, so then you can able to use it by using alt tab. So by chat GPT. So even question and answer also it's possible, but nowadays certification agencies are very clear. Like since the dominations of AI recently, so they are also very stringently making the examination question and answer. So the seconds also being calculated, the screen movement is also calculated, mouse cursor is also being calculated. So please be very careful.
So finally, let's learn and level up ourselves, and let us help and support others. So without pain, there is no gain. I hope you like this video. So please give your valuable comments so that I can also level up myself. So and share to your beloved ones. So thank you very much and thanks for watching.